3 ways to plant tomatoes that will make a real difference in your garden. These are tricks they teach in horticulture school. Tomatoes are among the most popular vegetables grown in gardens and on balconies. To grow into strong and healthy plants, they need the right care. Many people don't realize that the very method of planting a tomato has a huge impact on its development, how it grows, how strong its root system becomes, and how many fruits it produces. Let me show you 3 different methods. Each one works, but each gives a different result, so watch closely. In the first method, start by properly preparing the seedling. Remove the lowest leaves and side shoots right at the base. Then plant the seedling very deep, up to half its height. Wondering why? The tomato stem will grow roots wherever it touches soil. The deeper you plant it, the stronger the root system it will develop. The plant will be healthier, and the harvest will be much bigger. The classic method is the most well-known. Plant the tomato vertically without cutting off any leaves. Just bury the root ball up to the soil level. It's quick and convenient, perfect for beginners. However, this method won't produce as strong a root system as the first one. The final method is the most interesting. Cut off a few of the lowest branches, then plant the seedling at an angle, so that the stem lies slightly diagonally in the soil, with just the top sticking out. This method makes the plant develop faster, bloom sooner, and bear fruit earlier. 1 tomato, 3 planting techniques. Choose the perfect one for your garden. Do this now and your tomatoes will ripen faster. A brilliant trick nobody talks about. If you have plants full of large but still green tomatoes, this method will help you enjoy juicy red fruit much sooner. It's a natural technique that requires no chemicals or extra fertilizers, yet gives great results. What's more, it doesn't change the taste of the tomatoes. It actually enhances their natural sweetness. Gardeners have used it for years, but it's rarely mentioned because it takes a bit of courage. The best time to do it is in September, when tomatoes are already big but still green. That's when cutting the roots helps them ripen faster. Do it carefully, right next to the root ball. This way, the plant limits its intake of water and nutrients, so it no longer invests energy in growing leaves and stems. Instead, all the strength is directed into the fruit, which starts turning red much faster. Cutting too early can weaken the plant and harm the harvest, so use this method only at the end of the season. Crush and sprinkle them around your garden veggies. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or anything else, they're priceless in the garden. Your harvest will be richer and juicier. Eggshells are usually left over after baking or making breakfast. Don't toss them out. Start by cleaning the shells thoroughly. Pour hot water over them to remove any leftover egg white. After the hot water soak, place them on a paper towel and let them dry completely. Eggshells are a natural source of calcium, which supports strong plant growth. They also improve soil structure when mixed into the ground. Once dry, take them out to the garden, crush them in your hands and scatter around your tomatoes or other vegetables. Lightly mix the crushed shells into the top layer of soil. They also serve as a great natural barrier against slugs, so before you throw out your eggshells next time, spread them in the garden instead. It's a simple, free, homemade trick for stronger, healthier plants. This is all you need for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It's a versatile product with a use in gardening, especially for growing tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda disinfects, reduces soil acidity, and prevents fungal growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The oil creates a light protective layer on the leaves, making it harder for insects to reach the plant. Next, add 1 tablespoon of any liquid soap. The soap helps the mixture stick better to leaf surfaces. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Pour 5 liters, about 1 1/3 gallons of water into a garden sprayer. Add the prepared mixture. Close and shake well. Now spray the tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. This natural solution effectively repels insects and pests. It protects against powdery mildew and fungi. Apply once a week, and your tomatoes will be healthier, stronger, and more resistant. No chemicals and no unnecessary expenses. Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce. Here's how to get rid of stink bugs on your tomatoes. Even experienced gardeners don't know this trick. Stink bugs are the worst enemies of ripe tomatoes. They show up just when the fruit is nearly ready to harvest, sucking out the juice and leaving deformed, discolored spots. This simple method will eliminate them fast. Ivy, a common ornamental plant, contains saponins, natural compounds that foam and irritate insects. That makes it a great natural repellent for stink bugs and other pests. You'll need about 10 ivy leaves. Cut them into smaller pieces and place them in a tall container. Pour in about 1 quart of very warm water. Let the mixture sit for 1 hour so the ivy can release its active compounds. After that, pour the liquid into a bottle. Now comes the second ingredient, vinegar. It's a natural substance with a strong smell that insects dislike. Add about 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the ivy mix. Fill a sprayer with 2 quarts of water, then add the mixture and close it up. Now, spray the tomato leaves and fruit thoroughly. Use the spray every few days during the summer season. This method acts as a natural shield for your plants. Stink bugs will disappear, and your tomatoes will stay healthy and damage-free. Apply this biosolution, and your seedlings will grow like crazy. Even the weakest tomato seedlings will come back to life. Start by choosing a container where you can comfortably mix all the ingredients. Add 7 grams of dry yeast. Yeast contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that stimulate plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar combined with yeast acts as a catalyst. Pour some warm water and mix the ingredients well. The water activates the yeast and speeds up its action. Prepare an empty plastic bottle. Pour the mixture from the glass into the bottle. Add about 500 milliliters of water to dilute the solution. Close the bottle tightly and shake it well to combine the ingredients. Let it sit for about 2 hours so the yeast can break down the sugar. Your fertilizer is ready. Use it to water your vegetable and fruit seedlings. The plants will absorb valuable nutrients, speeding up their growth and making them lush and healthy. Use this fertilizer once a week, and you'll see amazing results.